and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to unbox a clothing subscription from Wantable. They are a styling service for women and men. There's a $20 style fee, and the average price per piece ranges anywhere from $50 to $100. But if you buy 5 or more items out of your box, you get a 20% discount. So let's get into it. I did open and take a small peek because I was on vacation for 2 weeks. I had a lot of boxes waiting to be opened, and so I had to peek to see what I was gonna keep and what I wasn't gonna keep. So I saw the top 2 pieces. All right, well, let's start by, as always, the bag to return any unwanted items. And then this is the Gather Together edit. And here is my invoice along with a short little note from my stylist. And here's the list of all the items that I should find in this box. So let's see. Hi Lynn, so excited you RSVP'd yes to the Gather Together themed edit. It's perfect for everything from family get-togethers, grad parties, and girls' night out. Finally. Well, let's get into this and see what else she has to offer. Right on the top, I did see this pretty envelope, and it says Pretty Little Things. All right, let's see what it is. It's costume jewelry, that much I know. And it's beautiful. It says it's gold dipped. It says cubic zirconia. So let's open this up and see if I can see where the cubic zirconia is on this. I love this necklace. Now, if I wear costume jewelry, if I keep it on too long, I break out in hives around my neck. So if I keep this, I would only be able to wear it for maybe 2-3 hours. And honestly, I don't see any cubic zirconia on this. Maybe I'm missing it, huh? I don't know, but it's awfully pretty. I do like it. We'll keep that over here on the side. But I like that it comes in its own envelope. Makes it nice for traveling. And this is $34. All right, then I see a small clutch in a sage blue color. And this is by Kate Loxton. And this is $39. This isn't a bad little clutch because it offers you for bills, for your cards, and then on the back is for change. The only thing I wish there was a spot for a phone. And now here, a phone might fit, I'm not quite certain, and I haven't obviously tried that out yet. But this is cute. I like the color, very nice. All right, then the other items look to be clothes. Yay. So here we have, oh, cute. Oh, I like this. I'm not necessarily looking for summer tops anymore, but this I may keep because I have a pair of coral shorts that will match this to a tee. This is really cute. And don't worry, I'll be trying all of this on for you so that you can see how items fit, how the quality of their items, so you know whether this box would be something you should order for yourself. All right, so this is adorable. And this is by Skies Are Blue. And I'm looking for a tag. And I don't see one. No, there's no tag on this. Let me look on the invoice, see how much this top is. Let's see. This seems to be $54. Okay. That's in that $50 to $100 range. It's really cute. I just have to decide if I'm gonna get my wear out of it this summer for the $54. Okay. Next item. Looks like a staple piece. Yeah, this is just a plain white tee but it is cropped, which actually works really well for me being petite. Then the tops don't hang so low. So this is great. I can always use new white shirts that are fit to a petite. And this is by Tencel. And I'm wondering if this is, it says Recreation by Thread and Supply. Okay, and this is $36. I wonder if this is recycled material. Not sure, but this is a large. Okay, we'll move on. I can't say that's a pure white. I'd say that's more like a creamy white. All right, looks like another top. Nice, this could be for going out or working out. I like this. It's like a charcoal blue color, and this is by Gentle Fawn, and the price is $46. Definitely worth trying on. And let's see, what size is this? This is a large also. Okay. It's so funny because with Wantable, I wear size large. With Stitch Fix, I wear an extra large. And sometimes fashion sends me mediums. So I'm glad they all know their products and what sizes and how close they run true to size. Ooh, I'm gonna be hard pressed to say no to these. Yellow shorts. I wish these would have come in sooner this summer. My gosh, these are by Meritage, which is a great brand for petites. They're beautiful. And I have a lot of yellow in my wardrobe for this summer, so I'll have to look at the shade of yellow that this is against some of the shirts that I have in my wardrobe. And let's see, these are $68. That's pretty average for a pair of nice shorts. I love yellow. I don't know what it is, but this summer was all about yellow for me. Lemons, I guess. Sunshine and lemons. All right, then I think the last item we have here is a pair of jeans. And I'm praying to Jesus that these are some straight legs and not skinny jeans. So it looks like they are cropped. They are a size 12 and they are straight leg. That's fantastic. They are cuffed at the bottom on one side. And that, I'm not sure if that's intentional or maybe just to show how they can be rolled up, but this will be perfect. I can almost guarantee you these are a keeper. And I love the color. I know I don't have any light wash jeans like this. So these are by Democracy. Oh, there I have it. I have probably 3-4 pairs of Democracy jeans and they fit like a glove. I love them. So they are a high rise, but they are $78. I can't wait to try these on because I've been asking for straight leg and I've been getting skinny jeans nonstop. And I'm trying to fade those out. You probably all know that if you watch my videos, I'm trying to fade out skinny jeans and go lean towards the straight leg. I can't do boot cut. I'm just too short to wear boot cut jeans. I look silly. So, all right, I will go and try all this on and we'll film it and we'll get to look at it together and you'll see the quality for sure and how the fit is on each of these items. So hang on, let's get trying on. Hi again. So now we're trying on some of the pieces. I just have some comfy little Calvin Klein shorts on to go kind of with this top, like a comfortable or a workout or walking outfit. This tank top is one that has come in the box and the price on this navy tank is $46. And this is a size large. I love it and I think I will be keeping it. You'll have to excuse my bra straps, but it does have the, what do you call it, halter top kind of splice in the back. And I do have bras that fit so you don't see my bra straps, but I just wasn't putting on a different bra for you for this. So, but this is a great top and it fits wonderful. It doesn't doesn't cling and it's not stuck to my skin. It makes me feel comfortable and confident. And I think that's what clothes should do for all of us, no matter our size. I'm a big proponent of just loving your body at the size that it's at. And I do love me. All right, well, I think next I will put together the jeans and the white t-shirt they sent me. All right, I'm standing way back here so you can see the length of these jeans with my cute little white socks. Perfect length. I couldn't ask for a better length. Being only 4'10", it's hard to get jeans that fit like this. But let's talk. I have a feeling these are supposed to be crop jeans on somebody else, but they fit me to a T. Now, I wouldn't put this outfit together normally because the shirt is a little snug, and as are the jeans right now. I recently gained about 5 pounds from vacation, and I need to shed those while I work out every morning. But you can see my midsection, and that's probably the only part of my body that I don't like showing is my midsection. So, but the t-shirt is really ridiculously comfortable. It's also supposed to be a crop top on somebody else, but it's the perfect petite length for me, which I've learned. If you're petite, you can buy crop. Now that crop items are in style right now, they work great for us petite women. So the jeans, I think they were Democracy. Yes, they're a size 12 in a light blue finish, and they are $78. I'll pay $78 for a good fitting pair of jeans all day long. I just can't believe I've been sent all skinny jeans, and I keep asking for straight leg jeans. And this is only the second pair that I've received out of probably 6 or 8 boxes. I keep getting skinny jeans. So these are an absolute staying with me. And the t-shirt is, right here, is $36. Your run-of-the-mill t-shirt, nothing special. I'll have to see if I end up liking this or not. Next, I'm going to put on this outfit here, this shirt, which is super cute, and these beautiful lemon yellow shorts. All right, give me a minute and I'll be back in a flash. Back in a flash, like I said, is this not just the cutest little summer outfit? I am in heaven. This is me. This is who I am. This outfit is my style. If I had to describe myself in a picture, it would be this picture right here. The shirt fits really nice and has really great detail on that bottom line. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And then on the neckline, it has this beautiful trim. Makes it a little special, a little something extra. Now, I love the shorts. The shorts look great with this top. If this was the beginning of summer, I would probably buy these shorts in a hot minute. But we're moving into fall, and I'm really not looking for more shorts, but I love the yellow shorts. But I do have yellow pants, which are crop, and so I think I'm gonna have to say no to the shorts, and I'll wear this top with the yellow pants that I already have. It's gonna make me so sad to put these yellow shorts in the bag because they're super cute and they fit just perfect. All right, well, prices. The shorts are chino shorts in Buffy yellow, and they are $68. Now the floral trim detail blouse is $54. I don't know if I want to spend $54 on it. That's a little pricey. Huh. Well, just so you know, this is the brisket. This is the other item that came in my box. And my phone does not fit in here, so I am going to be returning this. And the necklace set, let's see if you remember this, just this necklace piece. I think I'm going to keep it. And I did find the cubic zirconia piece. There you go. There it is. I'm just going to have to be careful when I wear this and wear it just for a short period of time, just through dinner and then take it off. Because I have earrings that I just received in my Oceanista box, and I'll link that video here so you can see the earrings, and they match this to a T, really quite perfect. So, all right, well, thank you so much for hanging out with me. It means the world to me. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you would, subscribe and ding the bell so you get notifications every time I upload. And then thank you so much again, and take care. Bye-bye.